Hello my fellow traders. Today in this video I will explain step by step how I have achieved the 20 PA account that is EOD, Apex Trader Funding. They have launched new EOD drawdown accounts and I managed to get 20 PA accounts in that. How I am approaching that, I have already started trading in that. What are the status of this current 20 PA accounts, how I am approaching, whether I am taking mini or micro, how many lots I am trading with, like my trading strategy or trading psychology type of things I'll explain in this video, and how I am moved mainly to this future prop firms that I'll also explain you. Those who have not known me much more, just for an introduction, previously I trade mainly in the CFD space. I just refresh this page in FTMO and various trading, and if you can see, I have managed to get a overall payout of more than $200,000. And you can see my payouts, like max allocation also I have enjoyed with FTMO, and you can see the rewards that frequently I was able to get like decent amount of returns from the CFD prop firms. Also fibers and other prop firms also I got many payouts. Okay, but this is the future prop firm, that especially Apex Trader Funding. I moved also in the, like, I trade in the CFD space as well, but recently I have started spending much more time in the future domain. So future prop firms also I am trading, because mainly I am trading in the index like Nasdaq and S&P 500. So future space is also very nice. So coming to this active PAs, like Apex recently changed their changed their rules, so to say, or came up with their new accounts. Previously they had the intraday drawdown accounts. Well, today also they have this intraday drawdown accounts, but the new thing which is very good for actually my trading style, which supports my trading style, it is my personal opinion, the EOD drawdown, end of the day drawdown, which is very good. And no payout denials, no MAE rule, no 5:1 risk reward ratio, built-in scaling with the 50% consistency. 50% consistency is not a big deal. So it is very much manageable. So that's the case. Now coming up to the 20 PAs, how I am approaching, so go into that. Before that, please like the video if you really like this journey, and I am documenting my journey of this PA accounts. It will really help, I believe so. Okay, so if I click on this active PAs, if you see, the active PAs are, yes, I spent a lot of PAs, but because previously the most of the PAs are intraday drawdown, and I am not that much personally comfortable with it intraday drawdown, and I have blown up many accounts. One of the reason for that. So, but I am hopeful about this type of EOD drawdown. Let's see. So when you can see my balance, it is almost, let me change the color. It is 1000, more than 1000 profit in most of the accounts, and some of the accounts, I think 5 of the accounts have reached the buffer amount, that is $2,100. You can see these 5 accounts are more than, or 5 or 6 accounts is almost reached the buffer. So how I am approaching these 20 accounts as a whole? Yes, I am copy trading. First I have got these 5-6 accounts, so I started trading these 6 accounts first, and then I started the rest of the account. That is why in the profit there is some difference, but nowadays I am just copy trading all of my accounts. So now coming back to my strategy, or coming back to my how I am approaching this. Okay, look, for this PA account, one of the thing, if you have the 50K account, the main point is I am telling my strategy or my approach. It need not to be the optimum thing. I know some people do it differently, and I am really respect that. It is only my point of view that I am sharing with you. I am trading only with micros, okay? But how many micros? Say for example in S&P 500 or SPX, I am trading it with micro. Say for example, my maximum is 3 to 5 micros. 3 to 5 micros is the my maximum thing. Okay. Yes, I trade multiple times in a day or in a session. Say for example, I trade mostly in I'll mostly in like New York session. Of course, I'll trade in European session also. I am trading. So two sessions, almost 12 hours, 10, 12 hours. But in between that, I take multiple trades sometimes. But in each type of trade, my usual lot size is 3 to 5 micros. When I am super super confident on my setup or something, A plus plus setup, if sometime I got, then I may increase that amount, but normal usually 3 to 5 micros I am comfortable with. Now I'll come to different aspect as well, but let's see one of my account, because I have got drawdown also, how I came back from the drawdown. Say for example, take any account which has reached the buffer. Say for example in that, and if you get to trading details, and it is Apex new dashboard is really cool, really good feature. Okay, really like this EOD drawdown feature that Apex has introduced is really fantastic. So if you see the first day I have made a very good profit starting with $1,000. Yes, this $1,000 also has been made by 3 to 5 micros, unless and otherwise I get A plus setup and take little bit more than micros, but not with minis. I don't usually trade in minis. Okay. So in the second day, $117. Okay, fine. But the third day, if you see, I have hit the maximum DLL, the maximum daily loss limit, that is $1,000 for this EOD accounts. And hitting the $1,000 loss is really, you feel bad, like when you go to bed end of the day, you will see, aha, today is the very bad day, next day I need to come back, and there is many sort of thoughts process, like you may say, okay, only I have now drawdown left is $1,000, because $2,000 is a drawdown in 50K accounts. So okay, $1,000 more I have, how I am approaching today is really bad. So this type of thought process will go into your mind. So however good strategy you have, the main thing is trading psychology. So after the loss making day, the trading psychology is very critical. So next day when I came on 26th of March, just I open the 15 minutes chart. This is the day. This day I got lost, because you see the big loss came in this day because market was very choppy. There is no trend. I have to, like, after 1 2 trade I should walk away, but I couldn't, and that's why the loss happened. But after in this day there's a trending market. I was lucky that it is a trending market, but still I had to make the trades, right? So first initial, you can see it is the up move, but I waited and I see the structure weakness came, and then I shorted market. Of course, there is a now geopolitical news coming up, you know, all those things. So market was really weak in that day, and I got a good amount of profit. I do multiple trades, but in the direction, and I took small profits and then again re-entered in the direction of the market, and that was a really good day. And and yesterday also, the last day, that was also a good day, but not that much trending, because in between that you can see there is a bounce back, and most the stop loss may hit for some people, etc. I patiently waited and see the market when it is weak, and then I got, and I was happy with the micro. I am trading, so I am happy if I get 10 points of in S&P 500 in one trade, then I'll close my trade and look for the other trades. I am just giving you an example. Okay, so like that I traded, and I I I think yesterday I took 5 6 number of trades, but with the 3 or 5 micros, not more than that. So with that, really I came back in these 2 days. So that's what I want to see, is how good strategy you have. You may use different strategies, different technical analysis. That is one thing, but having the cool mindset, having a trading psychology intact is the main key point, because after loss you may come back in the next day, and maybe you start trading with mini or more lot sizes, not following your rules. Don't do that. uh, like, follow your rules, whatever rule you are following, just be cautious little bit, just take it slowly. Okay, so that's what I did, and now let's see how I progress in this account. I'll journaling those things with you guys, and if you really like, please like the video. Yes, I know there has been long gap, because there's a transition from myself also, from CFD space, mostly CFD space, to future space. It was a big transition, and in between I stopped trading also for many months, and after that again I came back now. So now you will get a regular videos from my side, and hope you will enjoy. Please like and do comment how you feel, and how do you trade in the future prof firms like that. And I am also getting different accounts in Funded Next, in Future Funded Next, and also in Purdia. That will also cover in my next video. So stay tuned. Have a good day.